So it's thundering, lightning. We're under some warnings right now. So not sure what. Getting at about some severe thunderstorms and so we'll see. I mean, is that rotating? I think that's rotating. You can just hear the thunder and lightning. See the lightning off in the distance, the thunder over this way, thunder over this way, and I heard some when I first came out over there. So, I'm not sure. I love these dirt roads. I know this camera's not perfect, but ooh, it's what I could get right now. So it's 16 megapixels, 30 frames a second. So I mean, because I just bought a monitor, brand new monitor for the setup. Got to get used to like facing the camera at me. Just bought a brand new monitor, a mic, headsets, tripod, camera, SD card, and all that fun stuff. I spent over $100, like probably $150 today for everything. So kept getting notifications on the phone about severe thunderstorms. I don't know. Not sure what's going on. Something's going on.
Love you, thank you.
Big old shelf cloud right there.
Love you, Paul.
Big old shelf cloud.
I love you all.
Real nasty out there. Giant fucking shelf cloud. Look at the size of that thing. It's pretty gnarly. It's starting to rain now. Run to the store, and then not sure where else. I thought it didn't look like it's raining that hard on here. No. Damn it. Must be embarrassed now. Hold on, there ain't the stores out there. Damn. You just gotta do it because the more you put it off, the nervous you're going to be. Almost to the store. See y'all there. No. Looking for the batteries with the... Because remember that thing I used to get? It comes with like the charger. Like you can recharge like AA batteries and things. I can't find that anywhere, so we're gonna go check another store. check that out. Finally quit raining. I'm supposed to get more. I think it's supposed to rain later on tonight also. So, gonna head to the Kangaroo, and then gonna head home. Cause I'm tired. I need a nap. I'm sick of tired of seeing her face in the car.
Dylan,
What?
you're rude.
I'm not rude at all. At the Kangaroo, Circle K. So we're at the Circle K. Gonna be on our way home here in a minute. Yeah, so this is back off, not that kind of car. So currently on the way home, just left the Inuit. Go home, relax, videos. I was supposed to take a nap, but it didn't work out very well. So yeah, see y'all when we get to the house. Almost to the house. Just gonna hang out. It's still looking pretty dark and it's pretty nasty over there. I don't know why the camera's blinking orange now, but it's blinking orange. Pretty nasty. Camera down so you didn't know the road got that long. Pretty dark. Oh, it's gonna fog up. So I just got out of the air conditioner. It's muggy. It's a little better. So we bought these balloons for the kids while we were at the dollar store. There's no light in here. There's nothing in here, right?
It's lights up.
But it's lit up.
It's lights up. Dad, what would you do?
The fan was pushing it. I'm not kidding, look. It's so cool. It's pretty sweet. What'd you get?
This yellow one.
Looks like a turkey.
Just the lights right there.
Calling me.
There's a little bit better luck. Hey, do you like it? It's pretty cool, huh, dude? Hey. Alright? Yeah. You guys enjoyed this video. It was basically just like a little bit of a test vlog just to see how the audio and like the picture, the quality was. It's not bad, it's not great, but I think it would make do. If you guys want more vlogs, I can also do that too. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Currently almost 220 vlogs. 220 subscribers. 80 away from 300. And I know y'all can do it. And but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about this video, how the quality, how the sound and everything is, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.